For more than 45 years, Lyco Manufacturing has been a world leader in the food processing industry. Hi, I'm Travis Vergens, Midwest, Northeast Area Sales Manager here at Lyco Manufacturing. To meet sustainability goals, Lyco's water reuse systems have saved customers over 3.5 billion gallons of water in 2024. We're just shipping 2 more Sanitary zero maintenance screens for a freezer CIP water recirculation system. This system was redesigned for plant applications and is the most sanitary design screen on the market. I'd like to point out a few key benefits. Both the screen and the tank have easy access doors for cleaning. The system comes with an additional header with rotating spray balls for cleaning during CIP. We call this design zero maintenance because there's no bearings or trunnion wheels to grease. The screen rotates on a thermoplastic, oil-impregnated bearing on both the discharge and infeed end. As it wears, the bearing can be rotated for additional life. These systems can handle anywhere from 50 gallons per minute to over 500 gallons per minute, depending upon the application. Lyco has over 200 systems in food and beverage plants and water reuse applications, and over 2,400 liquid solid separating screens in total. We offer more solutions for total plant wastewater with our single drum and double drum screens, and for food pumping systems, we offer our simple and proven stationary screens. So if you have any water reuse applications or liquid solid separation needs, feel free to visit our website at www.lycomfg.com or call the main office at 920-623-4152.